Whether you're playing an airsoft game or using an actual firearm for any tactical mission, there's plenty of gear to carry. From magazines to flashlights and medical kits, a backpack isn't enough. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best tactical vests on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yukita Tactical Vest. Yukita is an adjustable combat vest ideal for adults with a waistline between 35 to 57 inches. We can ensure the best fit, given the adjustable shoulder straps and side straps. The belt is impressively firm, which brings extra support similar to a tool belt, and I like that it doesn't sag nor bunch up as many do. Thankfully, the hook and loop size adjustment design is built on both sides to keep the belt centered. Besides, the shoulder straps are adequately wide and strong to provide great support to the vest once loaded up. I found that the right butt shoulder rest contains a semi-firm tube to absorb the pressure, and not just some soft, weak-feeling support. What's impressive is that the front and back inner vest sleeves are made of an open mesh material to keep me a tad bit cooler when I'm on the run. Another excellent point in its design is the upper mag clip areas with a rubberized texture to feel rugged for heavy-duty use. There are plenty of mag pouches where I could keep 8 fully loaded 556 mags, 6 9mm mags, and a handheld transceiver. There's even a spot for a right-handed cross-draw holster and 2 large utility pouches for my first aid items. All the zippers, buckles, and the material itself feel heavy-duty. Number 2. Hymal Sports Vest for games or training. Hymal Sports offers a nice tactical vest loadout for CS games, mountaineering, and other outdoor activities. This vest provides all the versatility that I need for a day at the range or at work. I'm not too certain if I could fit a plate under the vest, but it would fit snugly over a thin bulletproof vest. The interior pockets could accommodate 2 small plates on the front and a large one at the back for extra protection on the field. Fortunately, the vest comes true to size, so I ordered my usual size without any apprehensions. The vest includes keepers and a belt. I like the keepers fixed to the vest as they take the weight of the pistol, duty belt, and mags off my hips. It makes a large difference as I am on my feet a lot when I'm at work or play. I like the Velcro on the vest as I can place some cool patches on it for a bit of personal customization. Best of all, it's very sticky, so the patch stays in place. Number 3. Glorifire Tactical Vest. Glorifire is a superb MAL vest with multifunctional parts and size adjustments. We can put almost anything, including shotgun shells, flashlights, and other tactical stuff. I have an athletic build, and I'm pleased that the vest is highly adjustable to fit my body nicely. The mesh design is breathable and comfortable without compromising durability because the 600D Oxford layers are double-stitched. Best of all, this vest is comfortable as I was able to wear it for a full 24 hours without any issues. This design is my favorite tactical vest for Alaska 47 because it can securely fit my single AK 47 30 round mag on the 4 rifle mag pouches. These rifle mag pouches can also carry 2 R15 mags, while the pistol mag pouches seem perfect for 9mm mags. I discovered that the 2 pistol mag pouches on the belt accommodate small items like knives and flashlights for more convenient travel. The best part of this vest is the holster because it uses a MAL design to attach to the vest securely. Also, the holster is removable, so anyone can use it, whether right or left-handed. It's also a bonus to have MAL webbing on the back as it mounts my shotgun scabbard pretty well. Number 4. Clashverse Tactical Airsoft Vest. Clashverse is my favorite companion for paintball and airsoft games because it protects the sensitive areas on the front and back. I'm not the type to complain about taking a paintball to vulnerable spots, but this vest can help reduce the pain. This cool tactical vest seems to be well made from a durable material. I like that the seams are all nicely sewn together and feel of high quality for long-lasting use. Best of all, the stitching looks even, and the MAL is evenly spaced out to carry extra gear more securely. I found many attachment points and a wide variety of pouches for my batteries, mags, and comms. Additionally, it fits perfectly on my body using the many points of adjustments. I think it can fit someone with a large chest or people of all sizes, from small to XXL. I use an HPA setup and store the tank high on my back. Thankfully, This vest offers adequate natural padding to cushion the tank, and after several hours of playing, I wasn't bothered by its existence. I'm pleased to attach my gun belt to the bottom, so all the weight is concentrated on my core and not my waist. Number 5. Marmot Tactical Vest. Marmot is another tactical vest with a holster and multiple pouches. I can load a lot of stuff, like some Arkansas mags, 9mm mags, and even some tactical rolls without any discomfort. One of the coolest features of this vest is the holster because it's adjustable and can fit my full-size .45 paramilitary pistol. There's also a back patch to add a personalized label for playing airsoft and other shooting games. The shotgun shell holder is removable, providing another spot for an ID patch. This vest seems to breathe pretty well with its 600D polyester mesh material. The stitching is quite top-notch, making sure the vest holds up for rugged use outdoors. Unlike other vests, this one got even stitches and no loose threads. 3 adjustable straps on every side make sure that this vest will fit everyone. I like the mall webbing on the back as it seems perfect to store extra gear, like medical kits. Even better, I can add body armor on the inside pouches to provide more impact protection when dealing with shooting duels. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.